Unraveling, a nest of vipers, decoding its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, a nest of vipers. It's a vivid expression that paints a clear picture, but what does it actually mean? Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations and writings. Stay with us to become more proficient in your English language journey. The phrase, a nest of vipers, is used metaphorically to describe a group or place that is filled with malicious, treacherous, or deceitful people. Just like a real nest of vipers would be dangerous because of the snakes, a metaphorical nest of vipers is dangerous because of the harmful intentions of the people involved. It's important to note that this expression is usually used in negative contexts and can convey a strong sense of disapproval or caution. This expression has biblical origins, appearing in various forms in religious texts to symbolize evil or sinfulness. Over time, it has evolved into a common phrase in the English language to describe any group or environment that is considered to be morally corrupt or filled with bad intentions. Understanding its historical context adds depth to its usage and can help you appreciate the gravity of the phrase when you encounter it. Using a nest of vipers in conversation or writing signals that you're referring to a particularly hostile or untrustworthy group of people. It's a powerful phrase that should be used sparingly and in appropriate contexts to avoid misunderstanding. Here are a few examples of how it might be used. The corporate office turned out to be a nest of vipers, with everyone backstabbing each other to get ahead. He thought he was joining a reputable organization, but it was just a nest of vipers in disguise. Remember, because of its strong connotation, make sure the situation truly warrants its use to avoid hyperbole. A nest of vipers is a potent expression that encapsulates the idea of a dangerous and deceitful environment. It's steeped in historical significance and carries a heavy weight in its application. We hope this exploration has shed some light on its meaning and how you can use it effectively. Whether you're engaging in sophisticated English discussions or crafting your written narratives, knowing phrases like this can enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your English learning journey in our next video.